Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to unsend a text on your iPhone. So actually it's possible only when you do have the RCS text messaging enabled or when you just text somebody using the iMessage. At first let's open the messaging application, and now here we do have to hold our finger on the messages you want to unsend in our contact. Of course, it has to be within the 10 or 15 minutes. Here, if you hold our finger on the message, you can see the button Undo Send. Tap it, and now as you can see, you unsend a message. Marek may still see the message on devices where the software hasn't been updated. So actually, that's how it works. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!